doing a couple miles here in northeastern Ohio. Got my backpack on out here preparing for an elk hunt, trying to get back in shape. This tree has cables. I don't think you can see them, but it has cables holding these two branches together so they don't split. Looks like it's split previously. It's pretty hot out here. Don't know what the temperature is, but it is humid and I'm dripping sweat everywhere. We haven't gone very far, maybe a mile and a half, but I am sweating and only have a 30-pound pack on, so I guess we'll see how wet I am when I'm done. Probably, I don't know, 1.75 miles in, something like that. This trail's only about 2 miles. But my wife's left me again. She's up there a little bit. One thing I wanted to show you guys though is all along this trail they have these signs, and they're like little educational signs about the different trees and plants and stuff like that. Pretty good learning experience. We bring our kids up here every once in a while, so there's a big difference between being in the woods and outside when we're talking about the humidity. It's pretty rough. I am dripping, my glasses are fogging, so it's pretty hot. We made it back to the trailhead. It was only about 2 miles. Not feeling very tuckered out. I am hot, but my wife and I decided we're going to do the other trail, which is 1.2 miles. So I guess we'll be about 3.2 miles, something like that. Maybe 3.5 by the time we get done. So here's the trail map. We're getting ready to go onto the Pheasant Run Trail, which is the smaller one right here. Glasses had to come off. Pretty sweaty, they were fogged up, couldn't see nothing. So I told my wife, I said, hey, keep an eye out for something interesting that we can film. Here's what she showed me. She said, that's interesting, that's messed up. Got another ugly pond. We're a little over 2.5 miles now, and I'm still sweating like crazy. I'm literally soaking wet. It's very humid out here. I don't feel like I'm working hard, so. But my wife's not even sweating at all. And she is flipping off the camera. Might as well get used to that. It must be this backpack, because she's not even working hard. I stopped to record this dead tree that I thought looked pretty cool. And I look up, my wife's completely gone. It was literally like 2 minutes. She pretty good progress in 2 minutes. So now I gotta catch up to her. That's pretty much all this hike has been. Me stopping, having to catch up to her. So maybe the reason I'm sweating so much is because I'm continually chasing her down on this trail. But that's it. This is a pretty cool area. If you look around, we're in a section of all pines. We made it back to the truck. We got, how many miles did we do? 3.4. So not too bad. Just a hot, sweaty day. I'm literally soaking wet, just dripping everywhere. But overall, pretty good hike. So, yep, it was fun.